Right now, we're seeing a remarkable spike in music sentiment, with a score of plus 0.44 and a momentum of plus 0.71, both of which are significantly above the historical baseline. This suggests a surge in positive emotional engagement with music that you can leverage for your projects. Our API offers a streamlined response that includes sentiment scores and momentum metrics, which you can integrate into your applications to gain insights into how listeners are currently feeling about music trends. Imagine using this data to enhance a music recommendation system, tailoring playlists to reflect the current emotional landscape, and keeping users engaged. If you want to dig deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make music more meaningful together.